but we made it back, and I just wanted to go over a couple of things, the reason why we decided to just go ahead and leave. And then certain things that we learned, but we may do a little bit different when we go back again. Little items that we realized that we needed and didn't have. But that was the whole reason for us going, especially without the kids. It was kind of like a little trial so we can, you know, try it out and see. So we decided to leave earlier, you know, instead of just staying and chilling until it got hot, because I was trying to create a vibe, right? Like I wanted to unplug this weekend, just quiet, you know, like we didn't want to be mommy and daddy, no work. Like we just wanted to have some, you know, quiet time along with nature. And unfortunately, we just wasn't able to create that scene because, and although our neighbors were really nice, very helpful, they were, you know, enjoying themselves. So playing their music, I mean, early, a lot of talking, a lot of rambling. So it was just like invading what we were trying to create. So, you know, once the rap music started at 9 a.m., I was like, yeah, let's go and wrap it up. I told my husband, come on, let's go home. Because I wasn't able just to create that serene type of environment. I wanted to hear the birds. I wanted to walk around, you know, and see the lake and stuff. And that just wasn't on a Sunday, y'all. I mean, to wake up with the gangster rap is crazy. So I was like, yeah, let's go. I was like, because I'm not able to have this Waltz is trying to attack me because you killed his brother. He just flew over your head. I wasn't able to create the environment that I wanted, so I was just like, yeah, let's just go. So it's okay. You know, I know that's what happens when you're in public spaces, so it is what it is. So as far as a couple things that we learned, one thing I want to say is like, I really did enjoy myself. Let me say that, even with, you know, having the neighbors so close. But it was my very first time outdoor camping, y'all. I'm not an outdoor person like that. I'm getting better at it. So let's keep that in mind. But it rained, and not even rain, like it thunderstormed. Like it came down. I thought that the lake was going to flood and we was going to get washed out. Like it was that bad. My husband out. This man didn't miss he's sleeping, he's snoring the park down. Me, I'm stressed out. I got a little bit of anxiety. I'm nervous. Oh, watch my elderberry, baby. Yeah. So I didn't rest. I was up for 24 hours. Like I just couldn't go to sleep because of all of that. We had the suspicious cars that was coming through inside of the lake, how they were getting in there through some type of back alley in the middle of the night. So that was weird. It was just a lot going on. And so it was like a little bit, what, baby, like when we started to cook, it was probably about a good 20 minutes where it was just, see, he back, he big too, and this one behind you. Where it was just, oh, there he go. Where is your, oh, Corey. I hope not. It sure looked like he was coming that way. I knocked his window. It was a good 20 minutes where it was just me and Ray. And we were cooking and the vibe was there. The weather was nice last night. No rain. It was about 20 minutes where I was like, yeah, like this is what I'm trying to do. And then, yeah, that got, you know, when the neighbors and stuff returned, I was like, dang, you know, but it's okay. So what I've learned is I definitely want to do it again. Definitely want to do it again with just me and Ray. And then I want to do it with my family. Of course, take the boys next time. A couple items that we realized, wait, I want to do it again.